Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and another very nice day for the bulls. So some updates here certainly need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little bit of house cleaning and just get rid of this green line here. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from yesterday, hopefully you remember me talking about $11 as an area of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be considered that ideal level of support. Meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above $11, that would definitely be best case scenario. Now, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as I talked about in yesterday's video, it's really all about the purple line there. If you're looking for a very simplistic way to measure the health of the current move, this is what I'm defining as the move. And in regards to that, as long as the price stays above that purple line, which is going to continue to move its way upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Anyway, however you can best visualize that. So as far as supports, $11, yeah, definitely best case scenario. But if the price can't hold above that, then that purple line there would be the next best thing. Now, what about potential areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to keep on fighting, where are some of these battlegrounds at? So as far as levels of resistance are concerned, you're going to have to scrunch up the chart here once again. Always a good thing when red lines are being converted to green. Next key overall area of resistance going to call right up there at about $11.35. The following area of resistance, that pink line up there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, which it's been doing, so I mean, you just want the bulls to keep on building these stair steps. So as long as these stair steps keep getting higher and higher, then as you've witnessed over the past few days, the chart is going to continue to take care of itself. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.